Maintaining thousands of miles of Texas roadways is a monumental task. The pressure to make the right fix at the right time, amidst increasing traffic and budget constraints, demands a new level of insight.
We're trying to make better decisions on how to fix roadways.
The current technology we are using is called the falling weight deflectometer. That requires traffic control and then it's stop-and-go operation.
ARRB Systems I-PAVE, a traffic speed deflection device, offers a revolutionary approach. Unlike traditional stop-and-go methods, I-PAVE measures road strength at highway speeds, providing a continuous and safer way to gather critical data.
These devices will give you the same information at 60 miles an hour. So with this device, you can cover 400 miles a day. With a falling weight, that would take you 10 days to do. So it really makes things faster and it makes things safer.
It allows engineers look both surface conditions and the structure conditions to make pavement treatment decisions. It opens the possibilities to utilize the structure condition data for the entire network.
The integration of I-PAVE data is translating into tangible benefits. For the public, it means fewer disruptions and more durable roads. For TxDOT, it enables data-driven decisions, leading to more efficient resource allocation and longer-lasting repairs. ARRB Systems is proud to partner with innovative agencies like the Texas Department of Transportation to revolutionize road infrastructure management. Contact us at arrbsystems.com to learn how I-PAVE can empower your organization to build stronger, safer, and more efficient roads.